Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can play Mortal Kombat on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys at the top, you're gonna find your games, media, here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. And right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. If you go here to the PlayStation Store, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the recently released collections, promotions, or sales. Here you're gonna find subscriptions, and right here you're gonna find browse. You're gonna find search, wishlist, cart, and lastly here you're gonna find some more options. So basically guys, right now go ahead and click on the search button, and then once you do that, right here you can search for any game that you want. So go ahead and click right here, then search for Mortal Kombat. As you can see guys, right here this is all of the results. So you're gonna find all of the available Mortal Kombat. For example, I'm gonna click on this one, and then once you do that, right here, for example, this game is not released yet, so we're gonna go to this one. And then basically guys, if you want to add or buy the game, from here you're gonna find the wish list, and if you want to buy it, just go ahead and click on buy now. And once you click on buy now, go ahead and search or choose which version you want to get. Then once you do that, just go ahead and click on I accept. Then you need to add a payment method and buy the game. Once you do that, you're gonna be able to download and play the game. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.